Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we'll be diving into how to use Notion for monitoring personal growth, the full 2025 guide. The first step is to set up your Notion account. It's simple and free. This is important because it provides the platform where all your personal growth tracking will happen. Once you're in, create a new page. This will serve as your personal growth dashboard. Let me explain why this matters. Your personal growth dashboard is like your command center. It's where you'll monitor your progress and make necessary adjustments. Next up, start customizing your dashboard with tools and features that serve your personal growth goals. Notion comes with a multitude of features like tables, calendars, and progress bars. You can use these features to track your goals, habits, and milestones. The reason we do this is to have a visual representation of your growth, which can be a powerful motivator. Now that we've done that, it's time to start inputting your goals and plans. This helps us because it gives us a clear direction of where we want to go and what we want to achieve. You can break down your goals into smaller tasks and assign due dates to keep you on track. You can also make use of Notion's integration features. Link your Google Calendar or any other productivity apps to Notion for a more streamlined tracking process. This is a crucial step as it allows all your data to be in one place, making it easier to monitor your progress. Lastly, keep your Notion dashboard updated. Regularly review and adjust your goals as needed. This is key to keeping your personal growth plan relevant and effective. So there you have it. A quick guide on how to use Notion for monitoring personal growth. Remember, the key is consistency and taking the time to reflect on your progress. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, keep growing.